Daniela Pineda, International Business Development Manager at Banco Base, a Mexican bank specialized in helping international companies with operations in Mexico. We have a very important message to share with you. International companies in Mexico usually have 2 or 3 banks, Mexico-based banks like Banco Base and global corporate banks, usually appointed by the headquarters. The presence in Mexico for them could be as a formal banking subsidiary or a representative office. Why your company cannot do business in Mexico without a Mexico-based bank? It's because global corporate banks with presence in Mexico don't have cash, checks, payroll payments, national coverage, personal service, local and federal tax payment, social security payments, and so on. So that's why when you come to Mexico, you need to have a Mexico-based bank. When selecting a bank in Mexico, you need to check their history, ask for references, make sure they can provide bilingual support, and have that kind of financial advisors that can always be there for you and your needs. Another considerations that you must take into account is that Mexico financial regulation can be very tough. Opening accounts for global corporate customers can take you from 2 weeks up to 3 months, depends on the bank and the processes. For example, here in Banco Base, we can open your accounts in maximum 2 business days. Why? Because global corporate banks usually have a very rigid and difficult system that makes dealing with them very complicated. In case you want to call your customer service department, you might need to call a call center number. Or if you want to open an account, you might need to talk to tons of people. In the contrast, the experience that you live with us is that one person can help you with everything that you need in one sitting. Another aspect, local knowledge. Banks like us are very engaged in local matters. That makes transactions easier. That's particularly true when you want to borrow money. Mega banks or global corporate banks aren't willing to fund your local business, your private property, or agriculture loan. Us, we're very oriented to evaluating loans in your area. Personal service. In my point of view, this is one of the most important aspects because Mexico-based banks provide more personal service, and even the bank staff can learn about your needs and suggest you another bank products. At the same time, you lose the anonymity that comes of being a global corporate customer. Last but not least, also when selecting a bank in Mexico, you need to ask your bank to be very clear about the clauses in your agreements. Location is important, so make sure you have a close contact with your bank. If you want to open revolving credits in Mexico, be aware that you will need an annual cleanup and that your bank has a strong relationship with the community, such as chambers like Invest Monterrey. Most of the international companies decide to work with Mexico-based banks like Banco Base because of our 6 main products. Treasury management. It's easy to move your money in any currency to anywhere around the world. Corporate and individual investments. Our funding access can provide you the best interest rate for your investments. Savings fund plan. We can manage the savings of your employees with a very competitive interest rate. FX 24/7. This is one of our competitive advantage because we can make deals of foreign exchange operations outside of banking hours and holidays. FX hedge. We have more than 35 years of experience providing hedging strategies. Credits. We offer specialized credits in foreign exchange operations where we can help you with lines of credit for the acquisition of goods and working capital. Our value proposition as Banco Base is to help you achieve a smoother and easier landing in Mexico by offering you a full portfolio of banking solutions, a personal service. We also have an international department where we have a Chinese, Japanese, and Korean desk with financial advisors that can help you with your daily operations that actually knows the culture, knows the language, and knows the market. A network of banking solutions, fastest transaction service, and a bilingual support. So, wrapping up this conversation, that's why your company cannot do business in Mexico without a Mexico-based bank. And that's why Banco Base is the bank that you need to know.